Chapter 4 in the Mroc text was all about the basics of building a dynamic website. Typically, this involves database interactions in conjunction with SQL statements, facilitated by PHP, and using HTML and CSS to provide information back to the site visitor. Because of the number of questions, I have created this and several other videos to follow to illustrate these processes. This video is the first and requires the installation of the demo files and creation of the database. Begin by downloading the zip file provided below this video. Save the dyn_site.zip to your htdocs folder. Then unzip the file. Mac users simply double-click the file to unzip it. Windows users should right-click and then choose Extract All. A new folder named dyn_site will appear in the htdocs folder. All work should be performed in this new folder. Next, start your local Apache and MySQL servers. When the servers are running, open the phpMyAdmin tool in the local environment. In phpMyAdmin, click the Import tab. Click the Choose File button and navigate to the dyn_site folder, and then select the visitors.sql file. After selecting it, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Go. On the left, a new database should appear, named Visitors, and it should have a single table named Registration. Take a moment and look at the fields in this new table. At the top of the phpMyAdmin tool is a gray breadcrumb trail. Click the server link on the far left. You should be returned to the server level and you are no longer inside any individual database. Find and click the User Accounts tab. In the list of users, make sure that you have the proxy user that you created on the remote server and then recreated in the local environment. The user should have access to localhost. This means any database that exists in the localhost server, including the new visitors database, and should be able to insert, select, update, and delete. If all of these steps are complete, then the setup is finished and we are ready to move on, which we will do in the next video. We will not worry about redoing any of this on the remote server, since it is meant to be a review of these basic concepts and can be accomplished locally.